Hi, my name is Katura Smith from Premier Realty Homes, and today I'll be talking to you guys about the five most popular mortgage loans. Number one, conventional loans. Conventional loans are the most common type of loan. This is the best option for borrowers with strong credit and a sizable down payment. The two types of conventional loans are conforming and non conforming. The pros for a conventional loan is that the conventional loans are widely available through a majority of lenders. It could be used to finance your primary residence, your secondary, and your vacation home, and you can also put as little as 3% down for a conformed fixed rate loan. The cons for a conventional loan are you need at least a 620 credit score to qualify. You must have a lower debt to income ratio threshold compared to other types of mortgages. And you will also need to pay a PMI, which is private mortgage insurance premium, if you are putting less than 20% down. Number two, jumbo loans. Jumbo loans are mortgage loans that surpass the conforming loan limits. Pros. The pros to a jumbo loan is that you can finance a more expensive home and you would also be eligible for more competitive interest rates. The cons to a jumbo loan is that jumbo loans are not offered at a lot of lenders because it's so high risk, and you would have to have a higher credit score requirement, often a minimum of 700. And you would also have a higher down payment requirement, which is often between 10 and 20%. Number three, government backed loans. The US government is not a mortgage lender, but it plays a role in making home ownership accessible to more Americans by backing three main types of mortgages. The first one is FHA. FHA is insured by the Federal Housing Administration. Loans can be obtained with a credit score of 520
580.
and a 3.5% down payment, or even a score as low as 500 with a 10% down payment. However, FHA loans require PMI premiums that must be paid by the borrower. Also, VA loans. VA loans are guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. The VA loans are only for eligible members of the U.S. military, which means active duty, veterans, National Guard, and reservists, as well as surviving spouses. There is no minimum down payment, no credit score, or PMI required for VA loans. However, you will need to pay a funding fee ranging from 1.25% to 3.3% at closing. USDA loans. USDA loans are guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. These loans help moderate to low income borrowers buy homes in rural areas. There isn't a credit score or down payment requirement, but you will still need to pay for what is called a guaranteed fee. The pros to this is that much more flexible credit and down payment guidelines, and it is an extreme help to borrowers that won't otherwise qualify for any other type of loan. The cons to this is that it's additional costs for FHA, mortgage insurance, VA funding fee, and a USDA guarantee fee. Number four, fixed rate mortgages. Fixed rate mortgages maintains the same interest rate over the life of the loan. Fixed loans typically come in terms of 15 years or 30 years, although some lenders offer flexible term lengths. The pros to a fixed monthly mortgage payment, and also it's easier to budget for. Cons is the interest rates usually are higher than the introductory rates on adjustable rate loans. You'll need to refinance to get a lower rate. Number 5, adjustable rate mortgage, which is also known as ARM. In contrast to fixed rate loans, adjustable rate mortgages come with interest rates that change over time. Typically, you will get a lower rate, but after the interest rate, after that, the interest rate could go up or it could go down. When the rate goes up, your mortgage payment will go up and vice versa. The pros is usually lower introductory rates. Um, you could pay less over time if prevailing interest rates fall. The cons to this is ongoing. It's an ongoing risk of higher monthly payments, and it could also be tougher to plan your budget as rates could change at any given time. Well, guys, that concludes the video about the 5 most popular mortgage loans. I hope you gained some useful information about what's available to you. If you are looking to buy or sell your home, please give me a call. I will be happy to help you and answer any questions that you may have. So, and I am very eager to assist you in any way that I can. Thank you for watching. And remember, choosing me as your realtor is the smart move. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.